guys, and welcome to Sam's Tech. In today's video, we're going to be discussing about the skills needed for a successful hacker. So stick along, and without any further ado, let's get it started. Starting up with the first skill, that is internet browsing. When I say internet browsing, you might think, oh, that's so easy, everyone knows to do it. But in your hacking life, you'll have to search a lot of things in the internet, and you have to learn to ask the correct questions so that you can get the correct, accurate answers. So start to ask correct questions, practice to ask correct questions so that you can get the accurate answers. Skill number 2 is using Linux operating system. Now, most of us are using Windows operating system, but the best OS for hacking is Kali Linux. So learn to use it and learn to use its commands. Skill number 3 is programming language. Now, when I say programming language, you have the question of which programming language should I learn. Now, learning programming languages are up to you. Whichever type of hacking you want to do, you will have to learn the respective programming languages. For example, if you want to do web hacking, then you will have to learn a specific programming languages. If you want to build hacking tools and scripts, then you will have to learn specific programming languages. So let me just pull out some examples so that you can also get a clear idea of what I'm saying. For web hacking, you can learn HTML, JavaScript, PHP, and SQL. And for building hacking tools and scripts, you can learn Python, Perl, Ruby, and Bash. For other hacking purposes, you can learn Java, C#, Visual Basic, and Visual Basic Script. Now, the final, last but not the least skill, regular practicing. Now, once you've completed learning hacking and completed your hacking courses, you have to spend at least 1 hour a day for practicing hacking. You have to keep in touch with it. Now, hacking is not that easy to learn. It is pretty hard to learn, but remember, hard work beats talent. So hard work and you will be able to hack. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll meet you on another video. Bye.